Police have just turned up.
We've left Tarragona and we're heading down south, probably about half an hour, 40 minutes drive to another parking spot that we found, and it's beautiful, the sun's out.
Well, I've just had a shower, but it was an incredibly liberated shower, and we didn't photograph it or film it because you don't want to see me in my swimmers with a
But it was on the beach.
a shampoo bottle and a shower gel bottle shoved down between my boobs. It was lovely. We've just had a lovely swim, and then they had showers on the beach, and we didn't take the GoPro, but it was so much fun in the sea. So we're going to show you where we've just been swimming. It's just lovely. We always joked that when we lived in a van we would end up being smelly and wearing the same clothes, and I made Chris promise me that that's not something that we would do, and that we would always make sure that we had access to facilities on the way, and that was budgeted into our master plan. And I've got to be honest, jumping in the sea and having a shower on the beach is probably one of the best showers I've ever had. And this is definitely what they mean when they mean life is for living.
So we've woken up to another beautiful sunny day, so we thought we'd take the opportunity and come and have croissants and coffee sat on the beach.
On the beach.
And it's still warm. I mean, it's like, I don't know, 16, 17 degrees. We're in shorts and a t-shirt.
Yeah.
And the weather forecast today is not good. There is a weather warning from 12 o'clock noon today until midnight Friday, which is tomorrow.
So maybe we need to go for a swim in a minute.
Yeah, so we might go for a swim because it's warm enough and it's lovely enough. And then I think we'll probably just stay put until the storm passes, because there is an amber warning for rain, wind, lightning and waves.
Potential flooding.
Flooding. Could be an interesting 24 hours.
But it's only 12 centimetres to 20 centimetres, so I figure that's not going to reach Trudy anyway.
Up to 60 millimetres of rain. That's quite a lot, to be fair. We did to go for a quick swim.
There's only a small storm that's like red and orange on the weather warning.
No, but it's not here yet. You could probably see it coming in the background. So
fine.
we decided to enjoy the weather, enjoy the sea. We had a lovely swim yesterday.
Yeah.
So we're going to go and swim again.
No wetsuits.
No wetsuits. Let's go. It's not as cold as the Irish Sea, that's for sure.
Definitely.
Well, today in Spain there is a severe weather warning.
Who'd have thought?
Who'd have thought?
Sunny Spain.
And we're sat in the van. The rain has started, and it's supposed to last actually for about 24 to 48 hours. And there's already a little bit of thunderstorms going on.
And after a lovely swim this morning with beautiful sunshine, in fact, whilst you were making the video, I was actually sat on the wall and felt as though I was going a bit pink. So I came in.
So it's been hot today, but we'll share this developing thunderstorm with you. Hopefully it doesn't get worse, but we will let you guys know. So we're leaving our little parking place where we slept last night, Miami Platja. And we didn't sleep so good. It was raining a lot in the night, and it kept us awake most of the night. But it doesn't look as bad as they forecast, I think, at the moment. So we're gonna head south for about half an hour, and we're just looking around because we can hear things rattling, and we have done our pre-flight check.
Yeah, it's fine.
It's obviously been raining really hard here because it's pretty flooded everywhere, so we're hoping it's not flooded where we're trying to park up. OMG, I've just seen a little crayfish crawling across the road. Look. This is a really bad idea. We need to leave this area. Look at the flooding.
Quickly.
So we've managed to find somewhere to park up, and the storm's still going on, and it should be going on for the rest of the day. And there's a bit of thunder and lightning. Very, very exciting stuff going on outside, and we've just been treated to a flash of lightning and a boom of thunder, so we're just taking advantage of catching up on some vids in the van and just resting really, because we didn't, like we said, we didn't sleep so well last night because of the rain. It's always noisy in a van. Rain is noisy.
It's like it's a tin can, literally. But
pitter-patter.
But we use the fan, as I've said before in previous videos. We've got a USB charged fan.
Yeah, it does it out in the background.
Yeah, it just takes off the edge. But the thunder and lightning has been really, really loud, and woke us up a few times last night. But we're quite high up now. We've driven through like the marshlands, and we're back up from the water. We can see the water, but we're probably about
okay now.
2 foot above it now. So we feel quite secure here.
So the rain has stopped, and we found this place that we've parked.
I love thunderstorms.
Marianne loves thunderstorms. But behind us, with the tower, it's black as anything, and you could probably see the dark clouds, and there's lightning flashes behind us as we're talking.
Yeah, in fact you can hear the birds are really whistling and screaming out because the rain has now stopped, and the storm is going, and all the seabirds have just left now. They're on their way leaving. They sheltered in this field in front of us. In fact, if we go that way, you can see where it's flooded in front of the van, and then the van's back this way.
But the storm behind is really cool.
So exciting!
And it's supposed to be going on till about midnight, so there might be more, but there's a bit of a gap at the moment. So yeah, it's very cool. The police have just turned up.
Don't panic. Oh no, they're going to the
cemetery. They're checking the cemetery. Phew, I think they're just locking the cemetery.
Yeah, they've waved, they're fine.
Ah, they've waved. Nice police. Phew.
They know we're just sheltering.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun, the feeling we chase.